Hey guys, me Macy. Today I'm here to subscribe notifications, give this video a big thumbs up. We're just going straight into this video. I've already got glue in this and I'm making slime, and my slime activator is for my color. I've got borax over there, but I'm gonna save that till my friend comes over on Sunday. So I'm going to do this really quick because I have to end this video like in 2 seconds, so because I'm going to my nanny's. So yeah. I added a lot of activator.
Some of the time, I just stopped by to pick up the wife and kids. All that is emissions. It's not depletion. I feel a hostile vibration. That is me, sorry. Have you been that way long? 3 hours. It is the ultimate in concentration. Feels so good when you stop. Small conversation. You were talking to me. Guess what? It's really hard to explain because you're talking mechanism. We don't have to communicate with words. They understand me because the way I feel and the tone of my voice. Sort of like a dog. Obviously, you don't understand. Who's buying wine? I am. I understand more than you think.
You're really stretchy. This slime's actually pretty cool. I love it. I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was actually a really short video, but yeah, this was actually really short. But my next video, I'm doing a live stream. Or actually, no. Then the second video I do, I'm doing a live stream. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Now see you all next time. Goodbye.